I welcome your winds, these triumphant storms, the gleeful cries of the mother who mourned. Winds carry my soul as I cheer with thunderstorms. Quickly I shall ride on the fields once scorned. Creation fleets upon Demeter's song, new life, a chorus, filling lands once dead. Songs so divine lure Helios along. 'Twas Persephone so pure he had glimpsed. Your gales hold songs filled with a mother's love, yet as spring gallops from your bold embrace, chasing winter with the call of the dove, autumn comes forth from Orpheus' staircase. So shall the seasons shift, as do the tides, for now I relish in all she provides. How bright and jovial is the summer sun, promising life and fertility. How different the October one, dealing death and aridity. No longer do we espy a golden glow, now there is but a dark blood-red orb hanging low, Cyclopean with its brooding, glowering glare, sinister in its saturnine stare. It is but the harbinger of deadly gloom, there to lead Persephone down to her Plutonian tomb. There she will, with Demeter's reluctant assent, stay, until the shoots of spring come out to play. Her story is not just crimson pomegranates, all of the splendor of spring bends to her will, but this floral maiden also sends shudders of fear, with one delicate footstep through all of hell. She reigns over the birth of flowers and gentle beings, raises baby birds in her lap, and with fawn she plays.
Go. I chose Persephone because we have some similarities. Like we both have loving mothers. And also, she is the goddess of spring and fertility. So, I want to be that kind of person who brings growth and encourages other people to be more of themselves, to be better persons. Someone who they look forward to, someone they miss when it is winter. And also, other people view Persephone's myth as negative because of the way they tell it. But I chose to see it in a positive light. Thank you.